Python Getting Queue.Empty exception from a nonempty multiprocessing.Queue. I'm having the opposite problem of many Python users. My program is using too little CPU. I already got help in switching to multiprocessing to utilize all 4 of my work computer's cores, and I have seen real performance improvement as a result. But the improvement is somewhat unreliable. The CPU usage of my program seems to deteriorate as it continues to run even with 6 processes running. After adding some debug messages, I discovered this was because some of the processes I was spawning, which are all supposed to run until completion, were dying prematurely. The main body of the method the processes run is a while true loop, and the only way out is this block. File queue is populated before the creation of the subprocesses, so it definitely isn't actually empty. All the processes should exit at roughly the same time once it actually is empty. I tried adding a non-zero timeout, 0.05, parameter to the queue.get call, but this didn't fix the problem. Why could I be getting a queue.empty exception from a nonempty queue?
I suggest using filequeue.getTrue instead of filequeue.getFalse. This will cause the queue to block until there are more elements. It will, however, block forever after the final element has been processed. To work around this, the main process could add a special sentinel object at the end of each queue. The workers would terminate upon seeing this special object, instead of relying on the emptiness of the queue.
I had a similar problem and found out from experimentation, not reading the docs, that even when the queue is nonempty, getFalse can still spuriously throw empty. In my use case, the workers have to exit when they run out of work in the queue, so getTrue is a non-option. My solution was this. I found that if in the exceptEmpty block, I check that the queue is indeed empty, it works. Empty will not return true unless the queue is really empty. I was using Python 2.7.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.